6 benefits of coffee for the skin. 1. Coffee reduces the signs of premature aging. Coffee is well known for its antimicrobial properties, which may protect your skin from germs. It also does not dissolve in water, which makes it good at removing dead skin cells and cleaning pores in depth. One study found that the elements in coffee help in promoting the health and freshness of the skin as it contains caffeine acid, an antioxidant that enhances collagen levels and thus reduces the signs of premature aging of cells. Coffee scrub recipe for skin. The ingredients: 1/4 cup of fresh coffee, 1/4 cup brown sugar, drops of lemon juice. Method of preparation and application: mix the ingredients well, then rub the mixture once a week with the mixture after showering. Allow the scrub to act on your face for a few minutes, then wash it off as normal. 2. Coffee treats dark circles under the eyes. You may develop dark circles and puffy eyes due to dehydration, sensitivity, lack of sleep, or genetics. Studies indicate that coffee contains antioxidants and caffeine that can help prevent aging and reduce dark circles under the eyes, along with chlorogenic acids in coffee that may reduce infections around the eyes and swelling. Coffee mask to treat dark circles. The ingredients: a small spoon of coffee, a teaspoon of olive oil, a few drops of water. Method of preparation and application: mix the ingredients well, then gently touch them under the eyes and leave them for 5 to 10 minutes. Wash your eyes with water or wipe off the mask with a soft cotton ball. 3. Coffee treats the skin from sunburn. Among the benefits of coffee for the skin is that it can be used to treat skin infections from overexposure to harmful sun rays, as follows. Coffee face mask. After you drink a fresh cup of coffee, do not throw away any of its residues, but fill the cup with water, then dip a piece of soft cloth or tissue in it. Gently place the tissue or cloth dipped in the remnants of coffee water on the sunburned areas of the skin and gently pat it. Repeat the process several times a day until the redness and swelling of the skin subsides. 4. Coffee reduces cellulite. According to one study, coffee may help reduce the appearance of cellulite on the skin thanks to its caffeine content. This is by dilating the blood vessels under the skin and improving blood flow in general. You can use this recipe for a coffee scrub to treat cellulite as well as it provides an even appearance to the surface of the skin. 5. Coffee treats acne. The coffee powder can be an effective acne exfoliant by rubbing it into the skin to deeply remove dead skin cells and dirt from the pores. This is because it contains active antioxidants and chlorogenic acids that reduce inflammation, as well as deep cleans the skin. 6. Coffee exfoliates the feet. Among the benefits of coffee is that it is also effective in exfoliating and softening the dead skin cells of the feet. As the stimulating effects of caffeine help increase blood flow and blood circulation in the soles of the feet when rubbing them with coffee. A coffee bath for the feet. Prepare a cup or 2 of coffee, then pour them into a large, deep bowl. Allow the coffee to cool down, then soak your feet in it and gently scrub the dead skin cells.